Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are definitely pushing down pretty hard on the daily. I still think that we have more upside potential, so I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. I think this move down is probably going to end up being a crutch into the move up, so I definitely am going to keep an eye out for that on shorter time frames. Now, it really kind of depends on what kind of trader you are. If you're more of a swing trader, you might be waiting for the end of a correction to go long again. If you're a short time frame trader trading below the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely suggest shorts. I think there's a good chance that this will end up being an ABC correction like this and continue back up at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. But there's also a chance that it just makes lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we definitely want to be looking for shorts at these sort of time frames where we learn and earn whether it makes lower lows, lower highs and continues to move down, or whether it makes a very overlapping corrective pattern and goes back up on the daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.